This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by importing your recorded file and video into Capcut. You want clean source audio, 44. 1K HZ or 48K HZ, 16 to 24-bit, so the editor has headroom. Once loaded, mute the camera track and add the dedicated audio track. Make sure to switch project settings to high-quality export now, because later processing relies on that bit depth and sample rate. You are preparing the canvas. Do this first so trimming, normalizing, and effects work on the best possible source. Now focus on cleaning and shaping the sound. You trim out silence and harsh breaths, adding short fades, 5 to 30 milliseconds, so edits sound natural. Use Capcut's noise reduction to remove hiss, then apply EQ. Roll off low rumble around 80 to 200 Hz and gently boost 2 to 6K Hz for presence. Once balanced, add a subtle compressor, 2:1 ratio, and normalize to a safe level, targeting peaks around -6 to -3 dB. This creates consistent, intelligible finish by mixing and exporting. Lower background music to roughly 10 to 20% of voice loudness, and pan or EQ elements so the voice stays central and clear. Export as WAV for best fidelity, 48K HZ, 24-bit, or 320 kbps MP3 if file size matters. Verify final peaks do not clip. If you hear distortion or unwanted artifacts, reopen the raw clip. Confirm sample rate matches project settings, and disable any redundant effects. Often duplicate noise reduction or limiting causes problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.